Day 1 is the menses phase. It is the first day of your period. This is where you're going to feel the most bloated, unmotivated, and not wanting to work out. Obviously, most of us last about 5 days, and this is actually a great time to make sure that you are exercising. This will aid in your bloating, this will aid in your cramping, and give you a little bit more energy. During this time, our estrogen levels and our progesterone are actually very low, and it's great to hit your PR and really push yourself as best as you can. Day 6 to 14 is your follicular phase. During this time, your estrogen is still very low. So it's a great time to really hit the gym, do your PRs, lift heavy, get as much results as you can in that short period of time, build as much muscle as you can. Day 1 to 14 is where you really want to lift heavy and get as much exercise as you can within those 14 days because you'll see the most results. Day 14 to 21 is your ovulation date. This is when women are very sensitive to hormonal changes. You may feel bloated, lethargic, and you're not wanting to work out, but it is still a good time to work out because day 21 to 28 is the luteal phase, which our hormones begin to rise. And during this time, you're going to feel really run down. Your temperature is usually a degree higher, so hot yoga is out of the question. Your muscle breakdown or repair tends to slow down. You're not sleeping as well, and your estrogen and progesterone really start going through the roof. And it's a great time to, instead of lifting heavy, focus on yoga, light cardio, and try to get that blood flowing, and that'll decrease your symptoms going into your period. If you really want to work out and get the most results, you have to work with your hormones, or you're just wasting your time. So follow this, let me know how it works. Bad news for anybody on the pill. Unfortunately, that keeps our estrogen high. So you're going to kind of feel like you're in that ovulation phase all the time. The great phase is the 7 days where it's sugar pill, as you call it. That's the best time to work out. If you are on the pill, try to switch to a IUD, regardless if it's hormonal or the copper IUD. Either which way, it is a centralized IUD, so it doesn't surge as much hormones throughout your body as a typical pill would. Let me know what you guys think.